Hello guys, it's Johnny from Simple Drinks. Welcome to another cocktail vlog. Today we are going to make a cocktail named Dundee. It's not hard to make, it's 4 ingredients. We got gin, scotch, Drambuie and lemon juice. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So let's start with gin, 30 ml, 1 ounce. Add into the shaker. Followed by 22.5 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of Scotch Whiskey. Half an ounce of Drambuie. Oh, I love this. And half an ounce of 15 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This is really dry lemon, obviously. We're going to need one more. Now, add ice into the shaker and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Whoa. Beautiful. Now add fresh ice in our glass. And strain the cocktail over fresh ice. Garnish with a small piece of lemon zest. Squeeze it over the top, express the oils, and just drop it in. Ladies and gentlemen, Dundee. Cheers! Oh wow, definitely tastes good. It's a bit dry and sour, has a strong kick, but it tastes really great. And ladies and gentlemen, that was Dundee. It's really easy to make, try it and let me know in the comments below what you think. And that's it for today. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.